What are the steps to transfer funds from Steam Wallet to credit card?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss a commonly asked question. How do you transfer funds from your Steam wallet to your credit card? Transferring money back out from your Steam wallet is not as straightforward as adding money to it, so let's dive in and break down the process.
Can you directly transfer funds from Steam Wallet to credit card?
The simple answer is, no, you can't. Steam Wallet is designed to make purchases on the Steam platform, and Steam does not offer a direct method to withdraw funds from your Steam wallet to a credit card or even a bank account.
What can I do with my Steam Wallet funds?
If you can't transfer it directly to your card, what can you do? Well, your funds can be used to purchase games, software, and any other items available on the Steam store. So, if you can't get cash out, you can at least enjoy some new content.
Are there any workarounds?
While Steam does not allow for direct transfers, there are indirect methods that some people pursue. A word of caution: many of these methods can be risky. 1. Selling marketable items. If you have marketable items in your Steam inventory, like in-game skins or trading cards, you can sell these items on the Steam market. Once sold, the funds go to the buyer's Steam wallet. Outside of Steam, you may then negotiate a payment to your credit card. 2. Third-party sites. Some third-party sites claim to buy Steam wallet funds or offer to trade Steam gifts for cash. Be very cautious with these, as there's potential for scams. Remember, always be cautious and do thorough research if attempting any workaround. While there isn't a direct method to transfer funds from Steam Wallet to a credit card, there are potential, but risky, workarounds. Your safest bet is to use those funds within the Steam ecosystem. We hope this video was informative, and if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Happy gaming!